Welcome back to another one of my videos, y'all. We are staying consistent and I'm gonna make sure I keep dropping them gems for y'all, because what's the point of clicking my video if you're not learning something educational? Okay, and we're gonna be talking about all things hair, wigs, etc, etc. So if you're not subscribed to my channel already, go ahead and subscribe puts it help. So in this video I'm gonna be showing y'all a couple of my ready to wear wigs. I'm going to be showing y'all how to cut the lace. I'm gonna show y'all a couple of tips when styling, and I'm gonna show y'all how to keep that wig, you know, melted. Okay, I'm gonna show y'all a couple products that I use on my glueless units. If your wigs never look natural, it's probably not you, it's what you're doing wrong. So let me go ahead and show you. Okay, y'all, so I have this 30-inch unit. We went bust down middle, and like she does not look her best right now. It's giving wrinkles and stuff, and we're gonna go ahead and stop her. Okay, first thing first, make sure you know your hair size, okay? Because if not, the wig is gonna be too big or too small and it's not gonna fit. So I'm gonna go in with this misting spray, and I'm just gonna spray. I have my flat irons turned up to the hottest heat. We're just gonna do a little detangle, and I'm gonna start with this front piece. And I'm gonna take my time while I'm going through it, just so I can only go through it one time. Like, good quality hair only needs one pass. As y'all see, I'm gonna put that to the back. And we're just gonna comb this out. Okay. You see that? Okay, next piece. And you don't have to do overly big pieces. And then just up close, as you see, like this hair, this side is less frizzy and this one looks. If you get like a spritz spray, okay, get your favorite holding spray. And we're just gonna go in on the ends, and then we're gonna go ahead and flutter in it. And then comb it out. And it just makes a huge difference. And she's 100% glueless, y'all. Okay, so I'm gonna show y'all how to also cut the lace. And I do got lemonade braids up under here, so it probably, I feel like this side is laying a little bit better than this side. This wig is bigger than my head size and it feels tight. And it's because I got them braids. So when it comes to these wigs, it needs to look effortless. You know what I'm saying? It needs to be full. Like, you see how I have hair in the front and I still have hair in the back? Because it's a full wig and it's true to length. This is cute. Okay, so this is not a glueless wig. This is a full frontal unit. Yeah, should I do pink? Let's see. Y'all, these braids is making it so hard for me to put these wigs on my head. Okay. Oh, this one is real. Oh no. Hold on now. This is so cute. Hey y'all, why you ain't got you a wig yet? That's what I'm trying to figure out. This wig is so cute. Yeah. Okay, so y'all ready to learn how to cut the lace? Okay, let me show y'all how to cut the lace on your glueless wig. So when you first get your glueless wig, you want to make sure that you cut this little piece off, and you want to go a little bit to the back too. Okay, like a centimeter. And we're gonna do that on both sides. Okay, you can cut that, go a little bit to the back. And then now I'm gonna start in the middle. I just went right down the middle. And we're going to go down, and then we're gonna go up, down. You don't want to go straight across because it's not gonna give what it's supposed to give. Okay, so just do a little zigzag and don't make it too crazy either. And that's with no makeup, boo. It looks pretty good, huh? Thanks. Okay, so okay, y'all see how we got that first half cut? And when I said glueless, I meant glueless. Like, there's no glue on this. Okay, so let's go ahead and cut the other side, okay? On this side, I'm gonna go down. Ooh, let's fix that. Just imagine if I like made it a side part. Ugh, so tea. Anyways, so we're just keeping the zigzag motion, guys. Zigzag, and we're doing it right on the hairline, okay? Okay, and there we got it. Ah! What did I tell y'all? Y'all better stop playing. And this is with no makeup. So you want to make sure that you find your foundation and match your skin tone, and make sure that you get it on your wig. And you could put it like right on top right there, and then y'all look. 100% glueless. She ain't going nowhere. She the wig is still on. She's still on here. The wig is, you know, you feel like the lace is still showing. All you gotta do is get you a little bit of mousse, your favorite mousse, it does not matter. Put a little bit on your finger, dab it, and just tie it down. That's it. That's it, that's all. You don't need any heavy products when it comes to the glueless wig because it's 100% glueless, okay? And she's not going anywhere. Okay, so this one is my head size, but since she's gonna look big or whatever because this is exactly my wig size, and since I have on braids, y'all see how this side is like so much bigger because I have lemonade braids on up under. Okay, but this is 16 inches, real cute. She's 16 inches, 5 by 5 closure, and she has blonde tips and a blonde skunk in the front. So cute. She is glueless as well. Yeah. Okay. That's why when I put the other wigs on, they fit tight and perfect because I have all this extra. The braids are covering up my ears, and look at this back here. Like, so that's why knowing your head size is really important. That's one. Two, you want to make sure that you do have a flat foundation when you are getting your wigs or whatever. This is overly stretched out. Okay, so y'all let me know any comments. Okay, and let me show y'all how to go and use my website. So you're gonna type in venusbeautycenter.com, and once you make it to the home page, there's going to be a shop wig section, and it's gonna have 3 different collections. I have my essential collection, which is a little bit more affordable. The longevity on the units are not as long, and there probably won't be a lot of different colored units unless they're like blonde. And then I have my poise collection, which is a higher quality. It's gonna last longer. The bundles are gonna be a little bit more fuller, and the longevity is gonna last you way more than it should. No, this is gonna show you all the glueless HD lace, beginner friendly. Okay, and then you're gonna go through and you're gonna make sure that you click the unit that you see or that you like, and you're gonna scroll down and you're gonna make sure you read the cap size. Okay, this is gonna make sure that your wig is glueless or not. Okay, all the sizes are not the same. They range from a 21, a 22, a 22.5, a 23, a 24. It just depends. And I even have a frontal unit on there as well. Okay, and my homepage is gonna show you all the hair that I have to offer. Okay, because I don't just offer glueless units, I also offer frontal units as well. So that is a little bit of tips, and make sure you're reading, because majority of the wigs that I do have on there are ready to ship right now today, but some of them are not. So make sure you're just reading the description so that the time span that you want a unit, it will get here on time.